Good morning. It is Sunday. I've been up maybe like 2 hours now, actually. I don't know. But the current Postmates promo, which ends today, is a free acai bowl. So with the free promos, it's hard to get a Postmate to actually accept it. Took me like 4 tries, but I finally got one. So this is from Juice It Up. They put it in a different bowl this time. So I like it. I think it's good. Yeah, so this is going to be my breakfast. So Jeffrey is going to take us to Norm's for lunch. I haven't been to Norm's quite some time. No idea what I'm gonna get. I always like to get French toast, but I feel like I should not. But don't hold me to that. OOTD for you.
Also, that hammer.
Is
You know you got
veggie.
jalapenos up in there, right?
I do. Oh,
Why did you say
I
something?
didn't know that. I would have seen it before. It was like a
been awesome. You'd be like,
veggie
oh.
breakfast taco thing. Say hi.
Hi, Jeffrey.
I didn't. I'm at my friend's house. I'm still feeding her cats while she's away, so totally forgot I was vlogging. I'm sorry. Here is Halo. And that is Wednesday. And this is Eli. I'm home. Totally forgot to vlog. Story of my vlogging life. I went to the 99-cent store and I just got some juice and tuna. And now I'm home and I'm eating dinner. And I just turned on the TV and it's that show Botched. It's pretty much the end of my day. I've been eating a lot of watermelon and I'm currently watching Full House. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again, I don't know when. Good night.